Welcome to Redacted Arms. I'm your host. Today, we're going to be looking at sliding weight buffers with the Hoffman Tactical Super Safety. As you can see, this lower has 5.56 magazines. Wow. We're not going to be using those today. We're going to be using Mean Arms 9mm conversions. This is the 10.85 ounce sliding weight buffer. And nice, I had a jam. So that day I did not bring anything to actually fix a jam, but I did bring another lower. The other lower has the Maxim Defense roller delay blowback mechanism in it. The blowback mechanism has apparently worn in enough where it now works reliably with the 5-inch barrel with the suppressor. I have not yet tested to see if it works without a suppressor. Weapon swap. Right here I wanted to show what hammers do and do not work with the Hoffman Tactical Super Safety. This one, you see it has a slide on the back of it where it helps it slide in. This Anderson Arms does not, so it jams up against it and can jam your gun quite badly. And right there we're weighing in my homemade buffer. And no, I am obviously not a machinist. These are my first shots with that buffer in this setup. As you can see, I'm swapping between both single fire and assisted trigger mode. This is sound differences between buffers.